on. Okay, so greetings, guys. This is Jared Dallins, and I'm going to be doing another live documentary series. So, you guys know, yesterday my mom told me to delete those um videos about my documentary series. So, I decided to do a new one. Gagawa ako ng isang bago. So, kukwento ko po sa iyo po yung aking yung hindi ko malilimutang childhood memories. Pero, iba to. This is different from the other one that I deleted. So, yung gusto ko pa talagang, well, before I tell you about my childhood memories, let me recall you first. Nung na po yung eviction episode, at ang bagong episode ng PBB, ng pagkagising ko, nagdesisyon akong gumawa ng isang bagong documentary na ito. So, parang talaga, ito yung hindi ko malilimutan yung childhood ko po. Tulad na lang yung mga kapuso and kapamilya, housemates, ganon. Nagbibigay ng mensahe para sa kanilang younger selves o yung pagkabata nila. Well, for my first childhood memory I won't forget is nung 2 years old ako, nung sumama yung pumunta kami ng papa ko sa Masambong sa Manghihilot. Doon ko nakilala ko po yung hindi ko na talagang papangalanan siya, pero 5 years old yung friend ko na naglalaro kami sa nung Masambong. At tapos nakita ko kami sa funeral sa Burol ng sa Burol ng dati kong kaklase sa Quezon City. Hindi ko na talaga papangalanan yun, ha. So, yun. Nung pumunta kami sa funeral, pagpapasok lang ng funeral, yung tatay ko, papa ko, biglang nagsabing yung pangalan ng aking childhood friend na Masambong. Doon ko nakakakilala. That's when old memories shock me a lot. Those old memories come back clearly to me. Nung bata pa kami, naglalaro pa naman kami sa bahay niya. Malapit naman sa school ng kapatid ko yun. Yata, 2009 yata, or 2010. Talaga malilimutan yung unang childhood friend ko din doon. Well, also, speaking of that, magkatabi-tabi yung pinsan ko po, mga dati kong pinsan. Parang feels like a little bit nostalgia to me. Naglalaro po ako, kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko, tatlo sila, hindi ko na talaga papangalanan sila. Naglalaro kami sa tabing bahay. Yung bahay namin, magkadikit, adjacent silang dalawa, adjacent. So, third of all, yung excuse me for that for a little, I'm about to burp out. Yung next ko pong hindi ko malilimutan po yung grade, yung elementary. Yung elementary pa lang, every time when every kinder to grade 3, may shadow teacher ako kasi may PWD ako. I'm a person with disability and I have a disability. Well, that's my disability, you heard. I have speech delay and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD for short. So, yung hindi ko malilimutan talaga yung nakikipag-birthday yung aking kaibigan sa elementary. Pupunta na kami doon. Grade 1 to grade 2, nag-drums ako kasama ng mga boys. Mahilig naman yung mga drums sa mga boys. Mga boys pala, mga lalaki. At pagtuntong ko na yung grade 3, lumipat ako sa mga kasama yung girls, naging vocal lessons. Parang nung maliit pa ako, nagda-drums ako. Nirecord pa yung nanay ko po nung 2014, yung recital kami. Also, grade 2, grade 3, also. And a little bit of fast forward. So, nung pag-note ko ng PBB eviction episode ng Sabado, napanood ko po yung dalawang evicted housemates na sina Raik Alim and Winona Collins. Pero nung binanggit ng pangalan ng kapatid niyang Wayne Collins, I think. Oh yes, Wayne Collins. Nung binanggit ni Bianca Gonzalez, ang kapatid ni Winona, bigla na lang talaga nagpaalala to sa akin. So, next day on Sunday, before I sleep, next ko po yung ina ng isang dati ko kaklase. I'm not going to mention their names also. Data privacy. So, tinanong ko siya kung kilala niya yung dalawang nasa TV. And she said she did. Kilala niya yung magkapatid. And then there's my former advisors when I was in grade 2. Grade 2, yung dati kong advisor nung grade 2. Kilala din niya yung fact na yon. And then, one more shocking fact is ang kapatid ni Winona Collins, kapatid ng actress, biglang nag-text sa akin. Parang talaga. He confirmed that his sister was an actress. Hindi ko talaga mapakapaniwala to. Yung dati kong childhood friend ay isa ng actress na ngayon. Well, nung napanood ko yung eviction episode, masyado akong natouch doon. Dahil bumalik na yung aking dati kong alaala nung pagkabata sa akin. And then there's the recent episode that uploaded on YouTube. So yung mga housemates ko nagbibigay ng mensahe sa kanilang pagkabata. They gave a message to their younger selves. Well, also, I'm going to give a message to my younger self also. So, here's a message. Hey there, kiddo. Life's gonna throw some curveballs, that's for sure. Don't sweat the small stuff, seriously. Most of what you're stressing about right now won't even matter in a few years. Be kind to yourself. You're doing the best you can with... Be kind to yourself. You're doing the best you can with what you know. Take chances, even if they scare you. Travel, learn a new language, try out for that team. You might surprise yourself. And don't be afraid to fail. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher, who believe in you even when you don't believe in yourself, and be that person for others too. Most importantly, trust your gut. That little voice inside, it's usually right. And remember to laugh a lot. Life's too short to be serious all the time. You've got this. To my younger self. From your older self, Jared Dallens. So, I give a little message to my younger self there. And before I really want to conclude this video, I really want to give a shout out to my childhood friends. So, yung mensahe ko po dun sa childhood friends ko ay so, I really want to give a message to my little bit of my... I'm going to give a shout out to the actress, Winona Collins. So, Winona, if you really wanted... If you're watching this right now, I'm making a video out of you and your brother. Good luck in your dreams of being an actress, and I'll support you in the future. And also to my old childhood friends, I just thinking about those old crazy times, about growing up and wanted to reach out. Well, it still makes me laugh. Life's taken us all in different directions, but those memories are something I'll always cherish. Would love to catch up properly sometime soon and hear what you've all been up to. Let me know if you're free for a call or a get-together. It would be a great to reconnect. Cheers, Jared Dallens. And that's all for today, everyone. Peace out and thank you for watching.